Couple more things left to do, and then we can try to start this thing. Got to get some fluid in the trans. Let's see, how do I get, there we go. The only other thing we have left to do is check our oil level. So that's it. Low. All right, I can't wait any longer. I'm just gonna have to do this dang thing. I was gonna put the fluid in it, but not right now. I'll do that after. I just need to crank this thing, make sure it's gonna fire up, make sure it's gonna pop off. I had to fix a couple of vacuum lines that I hadn't ran yet. One to the ECU, another one to the blowout valve over here. Had to button up a couple of wires that I didn't have ends on, stuff like that, just to make sure we don't have any issues. Vacuum lines. Oh, what else? So much else. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready for a test fire. Battery's hooked up. Oh, we gotta get the fuel pump relays in. Test for fuel leaks. Make sure we don't have anything leaking on our lines here. That one's good. Make sure this one's good. All right. We got fuel in the rails. Distributor's semi-cinched down. All right, all right, all right. I think we're ready. This is just a test fire, so I can't let it run long. My little one's in bed. It's late at night. We're literally just going to check and see if she'll fire off. It's got fuel. Everything's hooked up. The ECU is good to go. Let's crank this sucker. Well, it's just too late for me to try to fire this thing off again tonight. I don't want to wake my little one up, so I'm going to have to wait till tomorrow. There's a couple of other things I'm going to button up tonight, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we'll try to start it again. Well, one of the simplest things I forgot. I did not tighten down. I can't even see it. I did not tighten down the connector on the ECU. See right back in there. Yep, did not tighten that down. So there's a whole bunch of inputs and stuff not working. I bet you that helps out a lot. Oh yeah, look at that. We're getting fuel percentage coming in now. Idiot. I'm just willing to bet it fires up a lot easier too. Golly. It's always check the easy stuff first, guys. Check the easy stuff first. Can't fire it up now because it's freaking midnight, but now I can at least see all of my gauges that I had ran previously. I was like, man, I didn't change anything. So let's try this again. Oh, you son of a biscuit. Brand new painless wiring harness. More like painful. That's very not good. That might be the loudest backfire I've ever heard in my life. Oh my gosh. See the smoke up here? All right, we got to double check something. We got to make sure that our firing order's right. Also have to make sure that I've got top dead center on the compression stroke, not the exhaust. Got her flipped 180. Let's check it. Oh my gosh, it's alive! Yeah, baby! Man! Woo! So this is what took me so long today. I finally figured out how I wanted to do this. So the issue I was having is that these tabs I made for my coolant overflow tank, just nothing was gonna fit. So what I did is I reworked this piece here, got it down here. So it'll be a lot more of a gradual flow into our intercooler anyway. Turned out all right, and I got this clamp to hold it up against here because our clearances are really tight. So, and it should clear the hood too. All right, well, you guys heard it run. I'm gonna try to get this thing together so I can go take it for a drive tomorrow. Drive fast, take chances. Let's go for a ride soon.